Good evening, everyone. I hope I'm live. So just confirm that in the charts that you are properly able to hear me and see me. And I'm really excited about this particular session because this is going to be a concluding session for our Geek Week. We're going to talk more about it. But before that, let's acknowledge that there is no lag. Okay. All right. I'm waiting for the charts. And for this whole session, I am going to ask you, please be really interactive. We are going to talk a lot in the charts. And this session is just for you. We are going to discuss more about it. The title already says that what we are going to do. But hold on, just hold on tight because this is going to be really interesting. Yeah. Okay. All right, guys. Um, okay. You can tell that to me in the chats. I'm waiting for your comments. Hello, people. Hello, everyone. Yeah. All right, we are live. We have started getting responses. Okay, so let me tell you a little about what we are going to do today. We are going to be having a live quiz session where you all in the audience are going to enroll along with me, and we will be seeing the questions on the screen. You have your questions on your device. What you have to do is you have to mark the answers right? And then by the end of this session, there is going to be a leaderboard by which we are going to be deciding what you guys are getting. Okay, so make sure you are giving your best. This is going to be a sort of very rapid fire. So you are not going to be getting much time for that. So think very logically. The questions are basic, but they can trick you sometimes. So don't worry. Uh, all right, guys, the link is in the charts already. What you have to do is you have to get enrolled in that link. We will be beginning the quiz at 6:15, right? But what you have to do is you have to get enrolled in that one. You need to confirm that to me in the chats. Fine. You need to confirm that to me in the chats. Go there, click the link, go to the contest, register there. That will begin at 6:15. Fine. Till then, please, like whosoever have already enrolled, they can be here. Let's talk a little, and we are going to be discussing a lot about the things that we have already done in the Geek Week and what you might have not missed yet. Okay, so a little about Geek Week. Well, this is the last session of the Geek Week. For this whole week, we have been coming up with new sessions, very, which you can say, informative ones. And people from the industry have come with us. Here, we have talked about different things. We have talked about various topics, and the sessions were really insightful. Those are still present in the live YouTube channels, in the live YouTube set of our channel. You can go there and go through the lives, and I hope those are going to be really helpful for you. But what was the major perspective of Geek Week? To celebrate it with everyone, right? So we are actually offering till 12 what discounts up to 35% on all of our courses. So you have not missed it yet, but you might if you wait till tomorrow. So just if you want any of the courses that might be intriguing to you, you can go watch the lives. You can see about the topics that we have discussed, and if any of the topic intrigues you, you want to learn about that even more, and want to join a course for that, we are going to be giving you 35% off on every course. So don't miss it. Course whichever suits you best. All right. So charts, how many people are there? Can they just confirm me how many people are there in the charts? Let's talk a little. And if you're facing any difficulty in enrolling in this quiz, you can put it here. We are going to be taking that, and we can talk. Okay, I'm still waiting for the charts. All right. So any queries you might have in enrolling in the session, or any question that you want to put up, what we have done so far in the Geek Week, what is planned for this session, we are going to be answering it all. Till then, let me just share my screen and show you the page that you have to go to. All right, let me just share my screen. Guys, just tell me when my screen is visible to everyone. Okay, you can tell me in the chats that if my screen is visible to you. Okay, okay, it went away. Yep. Is it visible now? You can please just confirm that in the chats. Fine. So, guys, let's see what we have got here. Well, this quiz is going to be containing 50 questions, and it'll be having 250 marks. The time is not very much that you might be thinking about. It is only 10 minutes to attempt these 50 questions. And why is this really competitive? Because it has prizes that you guys will be taking away. Okay, so first of all, the first the person who comes first is going to be receiving a direct cash rewards of 3,000 from us, for the second one too, and for the third one 1,000. And till from the fourth till the 10th rank, we are going to be giving you GFG course vouchers. So I hope it is really exciting. Let's see if we have gotten any links. Yep. Okay. We still have 10 minutes left. So you have got a chance to enroll to that course. And then once you are enrolled in that quiz, come back to this YouTube video. And you can use two devices, right? You can use two mobile phones or one laptop or a mobile phone. It is up to you. On one page, you will be having your quiz. On the other, you'll be here on YouTube. Okay. So let's make it really interesting. We are going to be popping up the questions here, and we will be having a discussion, but it is up to you what answers you mark, because some people might tell the wrong answers in the chat. You never know. Okay. All right. So all the people who might have joined right now. So let me give you a little brief. We are having a quiz day today. This is a concluding session for for a very interesting Geek Week. So please just yeah. So hello Palak, and okay. So what we are going to do is you have to enroll in the course. You have to enroll in the quiz that I have mentioned the link about. You need to click on that link. You need to go to the course page that is already showing to you, and you need to just register in this. You need to register in this quiz, and once it is 6:15, we'll be beginning it, and we are going to be playing along. Okay, so be there. Just give me a second, guys. All right. Okay. I hope everyone is equally excited as I am. This quiz will be containing the questions that are around your computer science basics. So even if you are a fresher, or if you have a little experience, you are very familiar with computer fundamentals, you can give it a try. Do not miss the chance. And who knows, you might answer most of the most you will answer most the questions right, and you can get the first prize. So let's see who is going to win today. The leaderboard will be present at the end of the session. Once we have executed the quiz completely, you are going to be having your leaderboard there, and it could be your name right away at the top. Who knows? All right. So I can see there have been many people who have registered so far, and again, who has joined us right now? You need to go to the link that is present in the great. Okay, RS is saying that he is registered. All of you, you can also confirm that if you have registered in that quiz or not. Okay. I would recommend using two devices. If you have two mobile phones, go for it, or borrow one from your friend right away, or you can use one laptop or your mobile phone just to not cheat. Okay, and those two devices are for YouTube and your quiz along. Okay, I cannot tell you the questions right away, but I've given you the hint. If you are familiar with computer science fundamentals, or even if you are a beginner, you would be able to answer the questions. Still, there are 50 questions, all right? So, obviously, not every question is going to be easy because we have a competition here. So, let's see who is answering most right, who is answering most of the questions right. All right. Till then, we still have 5 minutes. If you have any queries about what we are going to do, how we are going to do, you can ask it right away. Visible? Great. Okay, I think RS is watching the video from the beginning. Okay, you need to confirm that in the chat that you have enrolled in the quiz. Fine. Okay, you need to go there, enroll in the quiz, come back here to the YouTube video, and we are going to be playing along just in 4 minutes. Okay, 4 minutes are left, and we'll be beginning with the quiz. All the people who are playing live with us, they are going to be getting awards right away. Okay, by the end of this 21st. Okay, so make sure you are taking away the prices. Okay, let's see. Fine, I can see people enrolling. Good. We still have 3 minutes left. Make full use of it. Just enroll quickly, and once you are ready, just write ready in the chats. Right, I'm ready in the chats if you are ready to play the quiz with us. And I'm already warning you. Hello, Vivek. Just go there and click the link that we have given you. You need to enroll in the quiz, and we are going to be playing the quiz. All right. It's going to be super exciting. And by the end of the video, you might be the winner. Okay. Let me do the preparations and let's soon start our contest. Okay, just a second, guys. I'm just setting up my quiz. We will be now starting soon. Just in 2 minutes, the quiz will be started, and I want all of you to stay with me here and answer the questions in the chats. We can have a little discussion and you might get a hint. Okay, all the questions are going to be popping on the screen once it starts, so make sure you are reading the questions. You're not going to be getting much time for it, so make sure you are answering the questions quickly. The sooner you answer, the more points you're going to get, and the higher you are going to be on the leaderboard. And we have already discussed the top three people are going to be getting cash rewards. And other than that, till the 10th ranker, we are going to be distributing free vouchers. Yes, Palak, we are getting discounts on all the courses that we offer. So it is up to you. Whatsoever you want to learn, whatsoever your interest is, find it, and you are going to be having a great learning experience with us. Answers, we are not going to be answering it directly, but yeah, you can have a little discussion. All right, but there is not going to be much time for discussion because you have 50 questions that you have to attempt in 10 minutes. All right. So, let's see, just give me a second. The quiz is about to start. The dot time it is going to start is at 6:15, which is about to happen in a minute. So make sure you guys are here in the YouTube and we are playing along. Whosoever has joined right now, there is one link in the chat which is of one quiz. Just enroll in that quiz and come back to the YouTube video. We are going to be playing this quiz along. Okay. Yep, the time is about to start. Let's see. The quiz is about to start. I hope you all are ready. If you are ready, you can just give me a +1 in the chats. Write +1 in the chats if you are ready. Okay. I can see people joining in. I can see people joining in here. Fine. We're about to start. Let me present my screen again, and we will be beginning the quiz. Just confirm that in the chats that my screen is visible. Once more, please. All right. Okay. So, okay, thank you so much. Let's begin the quiz. All right, we are starting. I've clicked on start quiz. Let's just start the contest. Okay, so here we have the very first question. Okay, so the first question is, what does OOP stand for? All right, who knows it? You can answer that in the chats if you want to, share the answer with everyone, or if you don't, you just write that I have answered it in the chats and answer it on your own quiz so that you can maintain the leaderboard. Okay, so we have a timer here. I'm going to be going to the next question now. Let's see what is the next question. Well, the next question is, what is the default port for a Spring Boot application? Any of the Java developers using a Spring Boot? Very basic question for you. What is the default port for Spring Boot application? How many people have answered it? Tell me in the chat so that know how many people have answered that. Okay. Moving ahead to the next one. Well, now we have, which data structure is used to implement a stack? The options are as follows. Is it array, linked list, queue, or both A and B? What do you guys think? Okay, I hope you know the answer and you have marked it correctly. Let's move to the next one. The question says, what does S in solid principle stand for? So is it single responsibility principle, strategy pattern, singleton pattern, or stack? Just think it through. Take a deep breath. Answer it correctly. Great. Okay, many people are actually answering it. I can see. Good one. Let's move to the next one. Okay. A lot of people have answered. Let's go to the next question. The next question, again, very simple question for any of the people who are beginning with front end. What does HTML stand for? Guys, come on. What does HTML stand for? Very basic question. Is it hypertext markup language, or is it high-level text markup language, hypertransfer markup language, or high-level transfer markup language? What is it? All right. Let's go to the next question. I hope you've marked it correctly. We have, which of the following is not a type of inheritance in Java? Okay. We have 4 options here: single, multiple, multi-level, multiple. Okay, let's go to the next question now. Again, a very simple question. Correct. Well, the question says, in a Spring MVC application, what annotation is used to map a method to a URL? Is it request mapping, URL mapping, route, or path? All right, we are running short of time. Let's do it quickly. What is the time complexity of quicksort in the worst case? Think it quickly. The next question says, which solid principle states that a class should have only one reason to change? Think it through. Think it through. Mark the answers. Let's go to the next one. This one says, which HTML5 element is used for drawing graphics? Which one is it? Mark it through. We don't have time. Now the question is, which team has won the Cricket World Cup the most times? All right, cricket fans, be here. This might be a turning point question. Moving ahead to the next one. The question says, which SQL join returns only the records that have matching values in both the tables? Is it left join, right join, inner join, or full join? Mark the correct answer. Going to the next one, we have, what does the get rebase command do? You have all the options. Mark it quickly. Going to the next question. The question says, what is the primary advantage of using Docker Compose? I hope you have marked the answer. Let's go to the next question. The next question says, what is the SQL command to retrieve all records from the table? Okay, again, quite basic question. I hope you've answered it. Let's go to the next question. The question is, what is get primarily used for? You have marked it correctly. I know that. A very basic question. Now the next is, what is the primary purpose of Docker? Why do we use Docker? Next up, we have, what does REST stand for in REST API? Very simple thing for developers. Going to the next one. Well, now the question is, what is the first index of an array in most of the programming languages? Come on, everybody knows it. Next question, we have, what does CI/CD stand for? Going to the next one, we have, what is the primary use of a deck or TQ? Some people call it that. Going to the next question, the question says, what is the basic building block of a React application? In the chats, you can reply me right away, or you can mark it in your quiz. All right, the question says, what is the primary purpose of web scraping? Mark the answer. Be very quick if you want to score higher. Then we have, what is the primary purpose of Kubernetes? Yep. Then we have, which country will host the 2023 Cricket World Cup? Which country will be hosting it? Everybody knows the answer to that. Let's say next. And this question is asking, what HTTP method is idempotent and also can modify data? Going to the next question. Then we have, in a max heap data structure, the key at the root must be what? Okay, I hope you have marked it correctly. I'm going to the next one. The question says, what is blue-green deployment in DevOps? Okay, a very basic thing for DevOps. What is blue-green deployment in DevOps? Going to the next one. Then we have, what is the main advantage of using a doubly linked list over a singly linked list? Give me the advantage. The next question is, in React, what is Redux mainly used for? I hope you've answered the question. Going to the next one. The question says, what is the main focus of unsupervised machine learning? Be really quick with it. Then we have, what is the main feature of Kubernetes Helm? The next question is, which of the following is the official theme song for 2023 World Cup? Then we have, what does AWS stand for? Come on, guys. We don't even need any time for that. What is the primary purpose of machine learning? Answer it quickly. We don't have much time left. Then we have, what does CSS stand for? Really? Then we have, what is the primary data structure used for implementing a queue? Is it array, stack, linked list, or tree? I hope you've marked it. Going to the next one. The question says, which of the following is the official mascot for the 2023 World Cup? I hope you guys are following the World Cup. It's scoring you a lot amount of points. In AWS, what service is used for a managed relation database? I hope you have answered that. Going to the next one, which algorithm has a time complexity of n log n in the best, average, and the worst case? Notice this one, in the best, average, and the worst case. Going to the next question, now we have what is the main use of a set data structure? Then we have which design pattern is primarily used to create a family or a family of related or dependent objects? What design pattern is used for that? Answer that. Now we have what is the primary purpose of a priority queue? Then the next question says what is the primary use of map function in JavaScript? Going to the next one. The question says which Indian city will host the final of the 2023 Cricket World Cup? Really? It is just coming for the second time. Okay, and rewarding you +5. Going to the next one, we have what is the main focus of NLP, natural language processing in AI? Then up next we have what does the flex property do CS? What does say a flex property do in CSS? Then very quickly we have in AWS what service is primarily used for cloud storage? And then we have in HTML which tag is used to insert a horizontal line. Okay, we missed one. I hope you have attempted all the questions. I hope you have enjoyed. And now we're going to see that what is the leaderboard. You guys will be able to see that on your screens. Just give me a second. Let me stop sharing that. Right, guys. Let's see who have scored the most. All right, so let me just take the names. We have Suman. Suman, you are the top contender for this one. Okay. Suman, are you there with us? You have scored the highest. And then we have Aryan Rai. Then we have Sabyasachi. Are you there? You have scored third. And up next, we have a lot of people who have participated and tried their best in scoring. But let's see. People are still attempting it, who were late by a couple of minutes. They're still attempting it, and the leaderboard is updating. Okay. So I hope you guys have enjoyed playing this quiz with us. We are now at the end of the Geek Week. We have had a really amazing week in which we were talking about all the things, and we were talking about all the technologies. We were getting to know how the things are working, and we were having this amazing course that was going along with it, and all the contests. Well, let me tell you, you have not missed anything yet. All the contests that have been open so far are still open till the midnight. Make sure you guys are going there and attempting all the quizzes, all the contests that we have, and you guys are having a chance to win the prizes. And one thing more, the last point, the most important point, is that the main thing about the Geek Week was the offering that we were making to you. That we are having 35% off on all the courses that we offer. So anything that you want to learn that we are offering, and you want to have a great learning experience with us, so please go and check that course out, and you will be able to get that course in 35% off. All right. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this session, because I have enjoyed it a lot. I can still feel the rush, guys. So let's conclude the session. If you have any queries, you can put that in the chats. If you want to connect us, you can connect us over the details present in the description. And I have enjoyed it a lot. I hope you have to. So good night, guys. Take care. Make sure that you are using all the coupons and all the discounts that are available till midnight. Do not let it go. All right, guys. See you soon. Bye, guys. Take care.